I'm ready whenever anybody else is.
Go for it. Nice. That rules.
Oh, Dylan. She's so for it.
You all right?
She did a tumble, didn't she?
No way.
It's not big anymore.
No, you guys got to get it put back into a pile.
Pile it back up so we can do it. Look at Evan. You did a good job, Evan. Don't put him in the fire, okay?
Just by the fire. Good job, Steve.
What? Yep.
Dispose of the butts properly. That's what it said in the bylaws.
I did. I put it out.
So, wow.
That was good.
That was an awesome throw. That had negative gravity.
I don't see a hill of leaves. What happened to them?
Oh my God, are they just jumping on the
Yes.
ground?
There's no leaves anymore.
I didn't think there were leaves there either. I thought they were just going to jump on the ground.